Okay, on my birthday, my mom got me the presenter kit for Younique, and it finally came yesterday, so I'm really excited to open that and show you everything that's inside and show you what everything is and put it on my face and see how it all works, because I haven't tried any of it yet, and I'm really excited. So, this is the box that it comes with, really pretty and purple. And you open it like this, and there's a really pretty purple bag in there. Everything that is inside is the 3D fiber mascara, which I'm really excited to use. I've heard a lot of good things about it. It's probably the first thing I'm gonna try when I open these things up. You get all these brushes, and so you get a blending brush. I dropped that. Okay, angled sponge brush. The angled part is here, and the sponge one is on this side. The lash comb and brow brush. Really handy, because I'm obsessed with eyebrows. Okay, this one is in a different package. This is the crease brush. This is the deluxe brush. The liner and shader brush. You'll probably use this for your eyebrows too, because it's really thin. So it's really handy for me too. And it's also really soft. Really soft. I like that. And the cream shadow brush. I also get cream shadow, so I could use this for that. A palette that you can put pressed eyeshadows in, and I got some of those, and I already did that. So these are the shadows, and they come with stickers with their names on it, and I thought that was really cool, because I'll forget what the names of the colors are. So the light one is Optimistic, this one is Antsy, this one is Slick, and this one is Agile. So I'm just gonna try these out on my hand real quick. Oh my god, these feel super nice. You could probably use this as a highlight. Can you see that? That is awesome. Okay, that was Optimistic. This one is Antsy. It's nice too. Slick. It's a little bit lighter than Antsy. Can you see that? Oh yeah, right there. Okay. And Agile. And that is a really purpley color, but you can't really tell on camera, I don't think. Those are really nice. This is the cream shadow. This is called Faithful. Looks like this. And I'll just put that on my hand too. Really smooth brown color, so that's nice. You could wear that with anything. You also get a pencil sharpener, because you also get a pencil eyeliner, so I'll get that real quick. Here's the eyeliner. It's called Perfect. It's just a black color, which is handy because I don't have any black pencil eyeliner. So I'm going to show you that. That is really nice. It really doesn't smudge that much either. Still there. I really like that. Okay. This is a lash serum. You put this on and your eyelashes grow, and you're supposed to put it on 2 times a day. But I'm really excited because I really want long eyelashes, so I'm gonna do that. You get another mascara in the kit. This is called the Epic Mascara. I'm excited to use that too because I also really love mascara. And you get eye primer, which that is a really good thing because I don't have that. And it looks like this. Really nice. I'm just gonna put that on my eyes real quick. That feels nice. It's really smooth. I don't think I've ever had an eye primer before. And that's pretty bad because I use a lot of eyeshadows when I do my makeup normally. And I've never used primer. But this stuff feels really nice. Oh. You also get tweezers. These, okay. I tried this out already this morning. That is why my eyebrows look like this, because they were just really bad before I used this. This is awesome. The best tweezers I have ever used. Seriously. Okay, so you also get some mask samples and all that stuff. But you get these samples, you get in the wrong hand. But you get 2 of each of these. You get 2 exfoliating mask samples and 2 detoxifying mask samples. So I'm looking forward to using those too. I also really like masks. So besides all this stuff, you get some booklets like this. This shows you what's inside and the prices of everything. And I was going through that. And I was looking at the prices of like all the things I got. And I got such a good deal on everything. Like originally everything individually is like, wow. So if you want a good deal, you should get one of these kits. They are really awesome. They have a lot of nice things. You won't regret it. Okay, and with all that stuff, you also get these charms. One says Younique white. It's just a little white charm. And this one says saving lashes, changing lives. Another little cute charm. Gonna try out this mascara now, and I'm gonna open it. I haven't even opened this. I just took off the plastic wrapping. So I don't know how. Oh, okay. So it opens like this, and it tells you what to do. Step 1 is the transplanting gel. The step 2 is you put on the 3D fibers. And step 3, you put the transplanting gel on again. It comes like this. That feels really nice. Okay. Okay, so this is the transplanting gel, and this is the 3D fibers. So I'm gonna go and put this on. Jeez. A little bit hard to open. This is good quality. Okay, I got it. I probably look really funny doing that. What the heck? Okay. That already made my lashes look super long. I was not expecting that. Okay, well, here are the 3D fibers. I can't even imagine what this is gonna look like. Hold on, that is, I'm gonna try to separate those for a second. My eyelashes are like crazy long now. What? That stuff is awesome. Wow. Okay. I'm gonna use these shadows and I'm gonna try to use this one as a highlight and see how that works out, because that was really shiny. I'm just gonna use the deluxe brush for this. Wow, that is so nice. I don't have anything that can work well as a highlighter. I don't really have a lot of highlighters. I'm using this as a highlighter. Wow. Oh my gosh. That is crazy. I love this. Oh my god. This is my new favorite thing. Optimistic eyeshadow. Holy cow. I can't even think of words to describe how awesome this is. Oh my goodness. If you want a good highlighter, don't even just buy a highlighter. Buy this, because this is just amazing. Okay, so whenever I am not wearing this mascara, I will try it out, the Epic mascara, show you how that works, and I'll do different makeup looks with everything else I got, and show pictures and post it. So you can see how all that stuff works and looks. But yeah, if you want all this makeup for a really awesome price, get this presenter kit. There's a face one, there's an eye one. I don't know how the face one is because I don't have that, but the one focusing on the eyes is super awesome. I love it so much. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, so that's it for this video, and I hope you enjoyed my weirdness, because I'm just really weird. But I really love this makeup. It is so worth it. So, bye. So I did a little bit more makeup after the last video just to test everything out, and oh my god. I love this makeup. So I put a little bit of Optimistic on my lids, and then I used Agile in the corners, and just to blend everything out, I use Slick. I also use the blending brush, and that blending brush is the best brush I have ever used. That is it's so good. I was shocked. I wish I recorded it when I did my makeup, because you could see my face as I was blending it out. Oh, this makeup is so awesome. And then I use the pencil eyeliner on the bottom, and I never use pencil eyeliner. I never really think it looks that good, but this pencil eyeliner is super good. And I was really impressed when I tested it on my hand and tried to smudge it a little bit. It really didn't move that much. So I am excited to see how long this lasts, how good it looks throughout the day. And yeah, this makeup is so good. It is so worth it. Just to get the better deal, get the kit, be Presenter of Younique, and start sharing this around, getting your friends to do it, because this makeup is so awesome. And this company stands for something really, really good. So I recommend this so much. So, bye.